Hello everybody, I'm Alessandro Paoli. I teach English in il Tecnico per il Turismo, and this is my video for week 5 Technically 2017. Today I would like to show you the result of a CLIL module we did in collaboration with the subject teacher of geography. And as you can see, this is an ebook we created with a free software, EPUB editor, and the result is a collection of all the works and tasks performed by our students. If we start from the cover of this short book, as you can see, the book was about teaching and learning for a sustainable future. And we tried to encourage students to use the ICT, and this cover is made with the software Tagul. We used all the words that had come out from the brainstorming and that had been previously used by the subject teacher in their lessons. As you can see, development, UNESCO, tourism, sustainable, responsible, and this is the result, a big apple with green words on it, and I think it was nice. If we go through the book, you can see that we introduced the preface into this book because we wanted to explain the general objectives and the prerequisites we had to keep in mind before starting our lessons. And this is also a sort of guide for people who would like to use this ebook in the future. After the preface, we began with the first chapter, what is sustainable tourism? And the students worked on a Padlet where they collected all the quotations, images, and videos they found on the web about sustainability. And after that, they prepared a true or false test. I'm going to show you. Here it is. And this is a very simple test, but is authentic because it was made by our students. And it is a sort of self-check also if they had understood correctly what had been shown in the readings during the lessons. If we go back to the main chapter, we found also another web tool we encouraged students to use, that is Adobe Sparks, and some of the students in groups prepared this sort of presentation in which they found different definitions about sustainable tourism, like, for example, responsible tourism or ecotourism or even geotourism. And after this, they prepared an exercise to check if the students had learned correctly what they have put in their presentation. And in fact, this is a very simple exercise of drag and drop to see if the definition matches the definition of the explanation. And that's another type of exercises we let them do. Going further, chapter 2 takes into consideration how you can become a sustainable tourist. And this is more about produce a short guide to explain young people how to be responsible tourists. And here is the result, a series of tips that students give prospective tourists for their journeys, responsible journeys, of course. And also this was an interesting activity. Chapter 3 shows a video about why sustainable tourism, and so to find an answer to the importance of this theme. And after that, after seeing and watching this video, a couple of students prepared this infographic, and you know that infographics are very useful for students to memorize and to visualize concepts, and this is the result. This infographic was made with the software Piktochart, and I think it's very colorful and helps students to summarize ideas. Next, they prepared hints, as you can see, about sustainable itineraries that could be developed further on in other lessons. One in Kerala, one in Himalaya, and one, as you can see, in Myanmar. At the end of this short ebook, we found a glossary page, and again we can see the definitions of the most important terms connected to sustainability. We wanted also to have an idea of the result of this activity in terms of feedback, and so students introduced their comments, and as you can see, the comments were all of them positive, because they felt that this project helped them to improve their English. They felt that they had become more responsible as regards environment. They found this experience amazing and productive, and also liked the idea to combine two school subjects like English and geography, and to practice their knowledge about the environment and the English language at the same time. So I think that it's all. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful for your lessons. Thank you.